Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video presentation, let me bring you the topic how to calculate the test statistics. So without further ado, let's discuss this topic. Okay, so let me read to you the problem before we solve the test statistics. So a student researcher wants to determine whether the mean score in mathematics of the 25 students in grade 8 section Newton is significantly different from the average of the school, which is 89. The mean and the standard deviation of the scores of the students in section Newton are 95 and 15 respectively. So assume a 95% confidence level. Okay. So in solving that test statistics, the easiest way is to write the given. Okay, so our given so let us start with the sample size, which is 25. Our sample size, which is 25. Okay, so next is the population mean, which is equals to 89. Okay, so next is the mean, is 95 for sample mean. This is the symbol for sample mean, 95. And next is the sample standard deviation, which is 15. Okay, so the formula in solving the test statistics, that is T equals to the sample mean minus the population mean over the sample standard deviation divided by the square root of sample size. So our sample mean is 95 minus the population mean is 89 divided by the sample standard deviation of 15, then divide by the square root of sample size, which is 25. Okay. Let us subtract the population mean to the sample mean. So 95 minus 89, that is 6. Then 15, and the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so let's write it here. So una natin i-solve o i-divide ang 15 by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Okay, so this is our test statistics. So simple as that. So I hope that you learned from this short video presentation. Thank you for watching.